When someone searches knee surgeon near me, and then they get a
Hmm.
bunch of names, a bunch of them are sponsored, what should they be looking for? How should they go through that information?
I think that's probably the most common place people start. No one's flipping through the yellow pages anymore, right? We just go to
Yeah,
Google. That's how I found a person to work on my car.
yeah,
So I think the first thing that everyone should look at is the reviews about the doctor, because what matters most is how you take care of people, right? That's ultimately what it is. That's what we do for a living, is try and make people better. And so people leave reviews and they share their experience. And I think that's the first place to start. Okay, just scroll through them. Look at the number of them. Are they positive? What do they say? And then the second thing you should look at is the person's experience. Are they specialty trained in hip and knee replacement? Like, did they do a specific fellowship? How many years have they been in practice? Are they board certified? Is this something that they have been doing for years and years and years? Or are they just starting out on their journey? I mean, there are plenty of great surgeons who are very young and plenty of great surgeons who are very old, but it's always good to have, someone with more experience.